Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can generate a secure passphrase instead of a password that you can use and you can remember easily. Now, in order to do it, all you need to do is to just simply open any of the web browser and here you can search for use passphrase.com. Just simply go to this website and once you go over there, let's just wait for it to respond. Now, here you can see it has generated a passphrase that you can use as your password, or you can uh, hit on this option of generate new passphrase. You can customize the things as well, and these passphrases are even comparatively more easy to learn, and the passwords are very likely to hack by some anonymous user, but the passphrases are easily memorable and use common words. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.